Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge CSV files in Google Sheets by appending rows to an existing sheet. This is perfect for combining data from multiple files into one place. Let's begin. First, open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet or open the one you want to merge data. Make sure your columns are consistent across files for a clean merge, all right? For example, over here, click on an empty cell to select the sheet. Then I want you to head over File, click on Import. Then you can easily click on any files on your G Drive or upload from your computer or laptop, right? Click on Browse, open the sheet or data, and I want you to select over here, append to current sheet. This ensures new rows are added below your existing data without overwriting it. And then once done, click on import data. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.